Breach detected in sectors 4, 5, 8, and 11. All personnel must evacuate. Repeat. All personnel must evacuate.